In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert alpha, beta, and gamma symbols using shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. These Greek letters are commonly used in math, science, and engineering, and knowing the shortcuts can save you a lot of time compared to searching through the symbol menu. Let's get started. First, place your cursor where you want the symbol to appear in your document. Microsoft Word supports the Alt Code method on Windows and the Unicode method depending on your preference. For Windows users, you can use Alt codes. Make sure numlock is on, then hold down the Alt key and type the number code on the numeric keypad. Alpha, Alt plus 945. Beta, Alt plus 946. Gamma, Alt plus 947. Release the Alt key and the symbol will appear in your document. These shortcuts are quick and make it easy to type Greek symbols without opening menus or copying from other sources. Remember, you can also use the Insert, Symbol, More Symbols menu in Word if you want to browse all Greek letters or other symbols. And that's how you type alpha, beta, and gamma symbols using shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.